Yes! As you can see here on the screen, your request for a Payoneer card is approved. Finally, my request for Payoneer card replacement has been approved. And let's read. Dear Bimraj Kulungrai, we are happy to let you know that we have approved your request for a Payoneer card. Your card will be shifted by registered mail and it should arrive between 7th March 2022 and 16th March 2022 to the following address. And let me show you here on my Payoneer card, Payoneer account. So if I scroll a little bit down, then we can see this one. So here, this one is still active, but this one is going to expire very soon in a couple of months, and here it's going to be shifted. I'll be receiving the card very soon. So once I just need to activate and boom. So whether your card is going to be expired or already expired, don't worry, you don't need to panic, okay? Just watch this video till the end without skipping any part of it and you will certainly get a new card, replacement card. So all the best. So you can see here, reorder card. I just need to hit on it and it says we have reviewed your card order. Just provide a few more details and your card will be on its way. Hello Penny users. Thank you so much for landing here. I knew that you definitely wanted this video and here it is, just for you. You and I have a same story. And what is that story? Let me tell you in brief. My Payoneer MasterCard is going to be expired in a couple of months. And I know that your Payoneer MasterCard is either going to be expired or already expired. So what? You don't need to panic. You don't need to worry because this video is gonna help you and order for a new replacement card. So how can we do that? Just watch this video till the end. And I guarantee you that you will get a new Payoneer MasterCard in your hand. So if you are especially new here, just make sure to hit on like button, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and just watch every step of this video and you'll certainly get a new card. So let's begin. Alright, first of all you need to log into your Payoneer account and listen to me very attentively. There are two steps in which we can order for a card replacement. So first step, just go to your settings and get down to Payoneer cards. Once you hit on Payoneer cards, you'll be able to see this page and just scroll a little down and you'll see about your card, current cards. So this one is about existing card, okay? And next to this one, I have this because I've already got this option and I can easily order for a new card replacement. Let's say you see this one, okay? You have this option. If you have it, congratulations. You can just follow the processes, you just need to hit on submit and whatever the instructions are there, you need to follow, submit whatever they ask, just submit the document and you will be verified and you will get your card in a couple of days, okay? But let's say you don't see this one, then we need to move on to second step. And for this one, you need to get to help section, okay, and hit on support center home and you'll be able to see this page. And here our main target is to contact the Payoneer Customer Support Team. So here we can see different options and our main target is to order a card, right? So we need to get down to my Payoneer card section, option, just hit on it. Here you will see different options like ordering, eligibility and activation, card security and so on. So let me tell you that here our main target is to get a contact us button so that we can get to one of the Payoneer customer support teams and let them know that our card is going to be expired or is already expired and we want another card as a replacement. So here we can go with a familiar option, okay? So let me hit on ordering, eligibility and activation, which is the first option. So let's get down and let me just hit on this one randomly because I'm gonna show you this one. Yes, see, contact us button. So for your convenience, if you want to get to the contact us button directly, then I have left a link in the description box. You can just click on it and get to it directly. So let me hit on this one. We can see three options for us in which we can contact them. Like we have send message, live chat, call us, and I used live chat, which is the second option. And here we can chat with a Payoneer customer support team, and remember that a support team must be online. So it's all up to you whether you choose the first option or the second option or the third option, but just choose any and just find your convenient one, okay? So if you choose the send message, then here we need to choose the topic, okay? Just choose the topic which is relevant to our card replacement. Let me choose my Payoneer card and let me go with the first option. Okay, again we need to choose the other one. Let's go with this one for now. Okay, you can choose any, but your message should be relevant to your card replacement. So you can write here, hi Payoneer Customer Support Team, my Payoneer card is either expired or like going to be expired, and I would like to order for another card as a replacement. And you can just write best regards, your name at end. And if you have got any file, then just upload it and click on I'm not a robot and submit it. Okay, so likewise you can also have a live chat, and this will be like having a chat with your friend on Messenger. And here you need to wait for Payoneer Customer Support Team to be available. So it gives us 3 minutes of time to wait for them. Here we need to just let them know that about our problem, and they'll give us the instructions. So we need to follow all the instructions. Okay, just give the data, provide information whatever they ask, and they will help us get through this problem. Since you know that my card is going to be expired in a couple of months, I'm going to order for a new card replacement, and let me show you. So I've already got the order a card button, so I can easily follow the steps, follow the instructions through it, and just order for a new card. Okay, for this I need to go to my Payoneer cards, okay, which is on the settings. And once this page opens, I need to get to this one. Okay, so I've already ordered. Okay, I just need to submit some of the information so that I can be verified, and I can get a card within a couple of days. So it says pending approval. Okay, I just ordered, so I just need to hit on submit, and here I need to submit some of my documents as per requested. So you can see here reorder card. I just need to hit on it, and it says we have reviewed your card order, just provide a few more details and your card will be on its way. So it says selfie with today's date. My selfie with today's date is already ready, and I just need to submit it. Okay, and once it's verified, I'll get the card within a couple of days. So okay, I just need to click on hit on submit button, and I just need to drag, or let's say upload the file which I already have on my desktop. So I have here, this is the image, or let's say a picture which I have prepared from before. So I'm submitting right now. Okay, so it says we have received your info and we'll get to you as soon as your card is your order is approved. So just wait for your email, and you can also contact Payoneer Customer Support Team, letting them know that you have already just provided your document, and just wait for their reply. And in this way you can order for a card replacement. And thank you so much for watching this video.